Welcome to Exploring Colors and Shapes. Today we're going on an exciting adventure to discover 10 colorful shapes. Are you ready to have fun and learn something new?
Yay!
Let's jump right in. House shape. House shape. Red house shape. Red house shape. Fish shape. Fish shape. Orange fish shape. Orange fish shape. Bird shape. Bird shape. Yellow bird shape. Yellow bird shape. Leaf shape. Leaf shape. Green leaf shape. Green leaf shape. Wave shape. Wave shape. Blue wave shape. Blue wave shape. Cat shape. Cat shape. Purple cat shape. Purple cat shape. Flower shape. Flower shape. Pink flower shape. Pink flower shape. Dog shape. Dog shape. Brown dog shape. Brown dog shape. Puzzle piece shape. Puzzle piece shape. Black puzzle piece shape. Black puzzle piece shape. Snowflake shape. Snowflake shape. White snowflake shape. White snowflake shape. Everyone did an amazing job today. Let's go back and review all the colorful shapes we explored. I'll say the color, and you shout the shape. Let's go. Red, house shape. Orange, fish shape. Yellow, bird shape. Green, leaf shape. Blue, wave shape. Purple, cat shape. Pink, flower shape. Brown, dog shape. Black, puzzle piece shape. White, Snowflake shape. It's time to play a fun game together. I'll show you a shape. Your job is to guess its color. Let's see how many you can get right. Are you ready? Let's begin. Amazing work. Thanks for learning with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.